Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Found But Still Lost. Today is the Friday before I go back to work on Monday. So I'm trying to soak all things in that I can before vacation is over. So we are going sailing with my dad. And as you can tell, it's not really the nicest day, but there's wind, so we sail. I made us some sandwiches. And I hope they don't get mushy because I put tomatoes on them. But looks like my dad's all set to go. He's probably napping. Oh, I just tripped. I should watch where I'm going instead of filming. Hello? Are you sleeping? Were you sleeping? You were sleeping. Here we go. We have to eat our sandwiches right away too because they have tomatoes on them. Yeah, why? Do you not have a drink?
I got a little one of those.
I also brought 2 iced teas, so we've got something. Okay. Got a peek in the door. Sails are up and we've already eaten half of our sandwich. And we're just coming by the lighthouse. The wind's offshore and behind us, so we're just motoring out to find our wind.
Got some leftover rollers.
Yep, from the storm last night. That was a good thunderstorm.
Yeah, lots of rain.
Lots of lightning.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen so much
I didn't
lightning.
hear that much thunder, too.
Pardon?
Did you hear thunder?
Oh yeah.
I didn't hear that much of it.
Oh, I like these rollers. Look at them hit the wall. I hate how film never captures what the waves look like. Like there's no authentic looking waves in a video ever. It feels like it's sprinkling a little.
Yeah?
Yeah. All right, let's put this in neutral. Actually, maybe just turn it off and I'll find my wood now. Or do you want to wait?
Yep.
Okay, hold on. Six knots, like it's nothing.
Yeah.
It took us like 2 seconds to find the wind. We're like, let's just have our sandwich, go around the wall. We'll find the wind. Bam! There's wind.
Bada boom, bada bang.
And there's a ship over here, and it looks like a ghost ship. I can't even find it in the camera. There it is.
Little red.
I can't see the wind. Hold on. Oh, I could go a little tighter. We're gonna try to pass a guy named Spreagle. We like passing people, but he's really far away. And I'm all over the place right now, so maybe I will go and I will film later. See you guys in a bit. It looks awkward though when I do so long. We're cooking at 7 knots. Go, Dad, go! Want to see what 7 knots look like? It feels like we're going super fast, but really if we were in a car, it'd be like going like 10 kilometers an hour. But look how fast it looks. Holy moly. Woo. Oh, 15. We're flying. Just turning on our GPS to find the mark by, what's the name of the point? Mohawk Point, right? By Mohawk Point, but we're not quite sure where it is. And I told my dad we should put on the GPS to find the, and before he finished my sentence, he's like, what, our sandwiches? And he thought it was so funny, he's laughing at his own joke. And the other sailboat just went past us, the opposite direction. I just call it Spriegel's boat. Is that it? Or is that the lighthouse?
Well, that should be it, I think. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now I lost the mark again. Shit. Oh no.
I'll show you. You get.
Okay, yeah, you look for some.
Yeah, just go this way. And then those.
Now we're going 3.3 knots. The wind is behind us, and we're trying to make it to Mohawk Point. We're close to the Mohawk Lighthouse, and the mark is just off of it, but it's actually quite far out. And we're having a hard time getting there. Oh, there it is. I see the mark now. You're just off of it.
Yeah. I'm just a little high on it.
Yeah, a little bit. A little high.
Now our speed's gone up.
Yeah, because you're like 120
Yeah. It likes that.
degrees, yeah. It likes 90 the best, I think, but... So, yeah. But I thought we'd chat because it's not as windy and you can probably hear me talk. My dad and I were just saying how we feel so lucky that we can be out here and enjoying nature and the lake. And, like, honestly, we've seen 3 boats out here. So
I
you
see
feel
the mark now.
privileged. You see it?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Yeah, you're almost right on it
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
And you're at 90 degrees.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Maybe we'll have to harden up then. But anyways, summer's basically over, so...
We're getting into fall.
Yep, it definitely feels like fall. Like, the sweaters are out. I don't think it's technically considered fall yet, but Starbucks has fall drinks out, so we'll say it's fall-ish.
You get pumpkin.
Yep, pumpkin spice is out. I had one yesterday, actually.
Did you?
Yeah, I felt bad. I felt like I was cheating on summer, but it was so good. Now you're going to be low on it.
Yeah. Beyond. Oh, I see them. Oh, that's the mark there.
Yeah, it should be... There it is. You got it now.
Yeah.
It's so hard. It's like this tiny little stick, and the way that the light is, it's very, very hard to see. And we're about probably 2.5 miles away from it still, so kudos to us for even being able to see it at all.
1.16 nautical miles.
Oh, did I say 2?
Yeah.
Oh, I was close then.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Are nautical miles longer than...
Yes.
Oh, so we're even like, our eyes are even better than I thought. Yeah, so we had a really good lunch. We had some good chats. We had some good speed. Went by a beautiful boat. It's been lovely. Sometimes the days that you suspect are going to be yucky, like my dad was saying at the dock, it was kind of like ominous and just yucky and not a lot of wind and I don't
Like you're
know.
in a fishbowl, maybe, but it opened up.
Yeah, it did. And we got some sun for a little bit, which was nice. The waves have really flattened out compared to what they were when we came out.
The old rollers.
Yeah, a few.
Quieting
It's just so
down.
nice.
Yeah.
It's quiet. So right now we're like near Dunville. Right?
Yeah.
It'd be Dunville. Well, lucky us and lucky you that you get to be with us. Before I had showed you what it looked like going 6 knots, this is what it looks like going 3.8. A little bit different. This kind of wind Matt would probably like, and my mom. Us, not so much. But it's still fun because we're trying to get to an end point, which we don't always do. We just try to find the fastest wind and go as fast as we can. But when you pick a point to get to, it makes it a little bit more of a challenge. So today has definitely been more of a challenge for us, which is fun. You're making moves on it though. You're getting closer. Just cranked the jib in, just 2 little notches to see if we can get the tails going, which I'm going to show you what the tails are. They're right there. And you want them like level. So we're getting closer to the mark. Let me zoom in on it for you. If I can. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Can you see that tiny speck? Right in the middle there. It looks far away in the video, but it's actually really close right now. What did he say? 4 knots. Let's go. You're a tiny bit low on it. We should be there in a couple minutes then. Man, I love sailing. If you're lucky enough to know anyone that knows how to sail, go sailing. And if you have no fear, just buy a sailboat. I don't know what I like more, being in the trees or in the water. I like both, like a lot. I know, that was a big one from like, I don't know where that came from. We just went up this big wave and down it, and you probably can't even tell. But it was really big. Matt's working afternoon, so it's just Fitz and I tonight. And I'm gonna be sleepy after a full day of sailing. There we go, we made it.
And we're doing it at, right, yeah, 2:53.
Our GPS is saying we made it. Wow, the race has been won.
Yeah.
We have made it. Don't forget to take it off.
Yeah.
Here he goes. Look at the speed at which we're going around this mark. Holy crap.
Now you gotta harden up the stuff.
Yep, I'll do that.
See how we get going here.
And I'm going to tighten this too. Then we're going to say. Now let's work on the sails. I'm going to let this down just a touch and then pull it. What's your degree? Oh, you're pretty tight.
Yeah.
Okay, let's work on the jib. There we go. Tails are going now. Whoa. And
That's the mills that I'm on there now. If you look down there.
yeah, I see them.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going pretty nice. I think you're gonna pick up speed.
Yeah. Pick up.
Perfect. I'm gonna go pull in the jib that's hanging over the side of the railing. Look how far away the mark already is. I'll zoom in so you can see it, and then I'll zoom out. That's the marker. Bye. So far away. Because we're speed demons! Going 3.9 knots. Okay, I'm gonna go fix that sail. Okay, bye. My dad's putting the auto helm on. Don't mind our garbage hanging out there. It's really gross. It's probably been there all summer. And I am down here taking a little bit of a snooze because my tummy hurts. I'm gonna have a nap. Just a little 15 minutes. And my dad's probably going to take a little break too with the auto helm on. And he can play with the sails a little. But we've really slowed down. What's our speed? 3.1.9. Oh no! It's a 1.9. We'll see you next week.
Yeah.
Wow. The wind just kind of died. Maybe I should check it. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll see you after my nap and after I check the wind. So my dad and I have switched spots. I had a wonderful nap and now it's his turn to have a wonderful nap. We passed the marker at 3 o'clock and the GPS is telling us that we will be back to Port Coburn at 6. So it's going to take us 3 hours to get home. But that's okay. We're puttering along and it's nice to be out here. Well, we're almost out of food. But we're getting close.
Yeah. Did you show a picture of the peanuts?
Yeah.
Watch out.
We think we're gonna get honked at by this poor ship that's trying to come in right behind us. But I think he knows.
For us.
Well, poor us, yeah. I almost squeaked in, but yeah. No. Oh, he's pretty close, but he's slowed down a lot. Like, he had a bow wave and there isn't one anymore. So I think we're good. Might not get honked at today, which would be nice. We haven't been honked at this year at all. We've been good.
Yeah. Nice.
I filmed that. Busted.
Did you do that?
No.
Ah.
Isn't that what all old people say? Who was that?
Yeah. What happened? Something broke?
At least it wasn't a test fart. And just like that, our sail is over. Our 7-hour tour. And that's the ship that was right behind us. Well, that was a long day of sailing. Long, but awesome. So for dinner, I am going to just fry up some leftover pasta from last night. And I have this really weird, oh my God, I can't think of the word. Sliver. I think it's metal or it might be fiberglass from the boat. It hurts. Anyways, I'm gonna fry up this pasta and then I'm gonna eat it. And then I'm gonna say goodbye. Thanks so much for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed the sail today because it was super fun. It was fun because it was challenging. The wind was weird. It was on, it was off. There was napping, there was eating, there was all good things. It was just super fun. It was just a really good day. We keep squeezing in these nice little sails before fall takes full effect. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great week. I will see you next week for another episode of Found But Still Lost. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. You have no idea how much it means to me when I get a new subscriber. When I keep all my old subscribers, it just makes me happy. And I would like to say I don't look at that very often, but I look at it all the time. And thank you for tolerating my brows. Yeah, did those for Taya's wedding that's 3 weeks away. And she went a little dark to make sure that it lasts. But I feel like broochy. Anyways, I'll stop rambling. I will see you guys next week. Thanks so much for watching.